everyone, and welcome to Jazzy61. If you're new here, my name is Jazz. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, a little bit of beauty here and there, and I post on Mondays and Fridays at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And if you are one of my returners, hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today's video is one that I have not done in a while. It is a clean with me, you guys. I haven't done a cleaning motivation in a while, and I thought I should bring that thing back one time because I stay be cleaning, okay? So today I'm going to start off in my kitchen. As you guys saw, it's not as big as a disaster zone as it was the day before. I kind of straightened up but just a little bit before bed. So I'm going to go ahead and start in here, get this room cleaned up because this is the center of our home. It's where we spend most of our time. We do a lot of cooking. We do a lot of laughing there. So I want to make sure I get this place as straightened up as I can. You guys saw my munchkin there. He helps, but he had his bike over there. So he wasn't as interested in helping me today as he normally is. So I'm going to go ahead and get the dishwasher unloaded and then get it reloaded and just kind of get everything straightened up. And I'll be back in a moment. So the next area I'm going to tackle is our dining area. We do eat in here quite often. As you can see, everything is moved to one end of the table. That's because we typically sit on the end closer to the TV and we use those 3 end chairs. I'm going to get everything straightened up and organized all over this space, including that bookshelf. My husband cleared it off mostly, so I'm going to go ahead and get it organized and put back together as well. This is another frequently used area in our home, so I want to make sure that I get it put back together. What are some of the most frequently used areas in your house? Let me know down in the comments below. So the next space I'm going to be tackling is the living area. This is where we spend the absolute most time. We use this space every single day. Even if I don't cook and we get takeout or we don't sit at a table, we sit in this room. As you can see, my little one there with his little table. We spend almost all of our time as a family in this area. So I like to make sure that it's clean, that it's been refreshed, and smells delightful, I guess you could say. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything fluffed and rotated and put back where it needs to go. Get some carpet fresh down on our rug in there just to freshen up the rug a little bit as well. I do vacuum this rug often because it is a shag rug, and I just want to make sure that I'm taking the best care of it as I can because it's also tan. So I'm going to go ahead and get this space cleaned back up, and I will talk to you guys here in a bit. So this is the last area I'm going to be tackling today. It's the area right next to our back door. As you can see, there's a cube storage organizer back here, and it's here because I know when we come in from outside, we bring a lot of stuff with us, dirt and grass and things like that. So I wanted to give us a place to leave our shoes and put our belongings from when we come in from outside. And this little area, this little cube organizer, is the perfect space to store everything that we come in from outside with, whether it be on our shoes or in our hands. And I'm going to show you guys a complete walkthrough of the house now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody.